Hey, how you doing? My name is KP Boisseau. I am the founder of LycanMedia.digital, which is a multifaceted photography, film production company in which we help initiatives by building brands, building content, telling your story, and allowing people to see the great things that you do as an organization, company, nonprofit. So the focus area that we are choosing, which would be health and wellness. The reason why being healthy is very, very important. If I am not healthy emotionally, physically, or mentally, I'm really no good for anyone else. I'm not good for my community, I'm not good for my family, I'm not good to my future. So by focusing on health and wellness, this is a way that we can pretty much help individuals like the youth find avenues and find ways that they can not be left behind and do great things in the community that will benefit them. Unfortunately, underserved communities do not always have the accessibility to resources that can help them, especially when it comes to health. It can be health insurance, it can be healthy foods, it can be healthy workshops, it can be healthy ways of living and doing healthy things in your community. With these health and wellness tools, it allows us to become leaders in the community, to help us create space for others to find ways to have economic advancement by becoming the new leaders in our community, telling the stories of Black and brown individuals who are successful. So if you get individuals to take charge in their community by doing great things, if they're creating a community garden in their neighborhood, and next to that community garden they have fitness bars, pull-up bars, dip bars, things of that nature. Now we can create youth sports programs that consist of soccer, basketball, and calisthenic teams. Now this is allowing them to participate in these sports events by creating fundraisers. Another way that we can bring more eyes in onto community and bring more eyes onto the youth that are trying to make change in a impactful way. The Lifting Young Communities Against Negativity Initiative, which engulfs technology, art, agriculture, fitness, science, carpentry, health, community development. This program, the Lifting Young Communities Initiative, is pretty much an ongoing program that works with the schools, the communities, and the families. And it's pretty much for free. It's a cohort program that gives the youth an advantage to find out what resources that they need, to find out how can they help themselves mentally, physically, and emotionally. Having a case manager who will listen to them, who understand their needs and be there for them. And the case manager and the staff will be at a location called the office that will be located in the East End, because this program is specifically for Northampton students from ages 13 to 19. And when we say we want to meet them where they are, that's coming to their school. So that's coming to your school if you're in elementary, introducing you to a program to say, hey, if you take part of a program in which you can earn while you learn, so all the workshops that you are giving, these workshops are lined up with a savings account. So as you're learning, you're putting in time, we are paying you to pretty much earn while you learn. And when you become a senior and it's time for you to graduate, then we'll cut you a check for the amount of hours that you have put in to pretty much educate yourself on having a healthy habit and a better lifestyle. You know, so having a program like this is a way that we can pretty much provide opportunity to the youth with a vital resource, an outlet or a tool that will never turn their backs on them, but it will uplift them. They will take pride in developing their community and reducing the statistics of Black and brown youth that fall victim to negligence, violence, drug or alcohol abuse, but develop healthy resources, food, careers, and financial gain. So that's why we say meet them where they are, coming to their school, showing them that there's any possibility that you can be part of this program, which is free, which all we want to do is help you. Wherever you're lacking, we want to supply you with the tools that you need to not lack no more in that. So by the time you get out of school and you're on your way coming through this program, you should already have the necessary support to help you develop getting a scholarship, whether it's a grant, whether it's ways to develop a business, anything that you want to do as a youth, whether it's in art, whether it is in film, photography, but this is a way to help us give our youth a chance, opportunity, an internship, work experience, learning skills, on-the-job training, and pretty much being the best that they can, not only for themselves, not for their family, but for the community and for the world, and making change for other youth that can look up to them and see them as big brothers and big sisters in their community, and making the change and creating a movement that will help support these individuals going forward.